Hi there. Welcome to Asia Stonks. This is our daily evening piece called Asia Market Summary, which is designed to help you get a quick overview on the stock markets today. It is Wednesday, the 9th of June, 2021. Note that we are just highlighting headlines and listing down our thoughts, and this is not financial or investment advice and should not be construed as any form of advice. Asia markets mostly closed lower today, dragged by North Asia markets, while Southeast Asia have some outperformers like Indonesia, Philippines, and Indonesia, which were up around 1%. Hang Seng Index closed down 0.1% while CSI 300 closed flat. Chinese dairy names performance diverged today, with China Feihe was down 7% today as onshore media reports that the company chairman's concerned about the steep fall in birth rates and infant formula consumption as people who have received the vaccines must put off pregnancies for 6 months. On the plus side, the company also announced a share buyback plan of up to $200 million. China Mengniu, on the other hand, rallied 5% after it was made known to the market after hours that Dow and Mengniu announced a successful commercialization of a chelation shrink film made with Dow's post-consumer recycled rains in Mengniu's packaging. China coal producers rallied today, with China Shenhua up 1% and Yanzhou coal up 3% after factory gate prices rose at their fastest annual pace, which imply that global economic recovery is on track and demand is rising. Chow Tai Fook was up 6% after reported an earnings beat, and China Longyuan was up 4% after reporting May power generation numbers being up 21% year-on-year, as we have flagged this morning. China brokers were weak today, with CITIC and Huatai Securities down 2% and dragged the index lower, with no clear news driving the stocks today except that trading volume across Asia is weaker today, with China's turnover value down 5% compared to average. Lastly, Evergrande fell 4% after regulators asked banks to stress test their exposure to the company. We mentioned yesterday in our Asia market summary that this headlines would still weigh on the stock despite the company announcing positive news regarding share buyback. That is all for today's Asia market summary. If you have enjoyed the content, hit the like and subscribe button so that you will not miss out on any market moving news.